What's up, guys? I'm here at Perform Tech Auto Repair with Gabi the mechanic, performing an oil change on an is350. Already popped the hood. The lift supports are bad, so that's why I'm using the stick to hold the hood, in case you're wondering why is there a stick in the way. Alright, so we're gonna get right to it. is350 oil change 2008. Alright guys, so we're gonna dive down the is350 to find the oil drain plug, remove it so we can get the oil out, and then remove the oil filter housing cap, and yep, we'll be done. So that's the oil drain plug right there. We're gonna remove that and let the oil drain. Woo! Boiling hot. Alright guys, so as you can see, I removed the 14mm oil drain plug that's right down there, and I've let the oil drain for like a couple minutes now. I'm gonna put that plug back in and then take off the oil filter housing cap, so more oil drains out, then put the new filter and be done. So the oil cap housing was removed. Here's the old oil filter. Looks like crap compared to the new one. So time to change the oil filter and this gasket. So I got the oil right here, 530 conventional with the oil filter, ready to go down there again and put this bad boy back up.
¡Qué falso! ¡No! ¡Su madre! ¡Mira eso! Eso. We've got your super tech. We've got your Jeez Louise, and
No badge.